Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a very simple recipe which is tekwa banana. Take some ripe bananas in a large bowl, peel it, add 1 egg and sugar. Then I'm using a hand whisk to mix them all together. You can check description box for written ingredient. All recipe is on website lailascuisine.com in English and French. And after mixing, it's gonna look like that. Then add milk powder, mix, then add all-purpose flour and baking soda. Then keep mixing. No need to add any liquid in this recipe. And now you can see the butter is almost ready. It looks like that. It's easy to use a hand whisk for this tekwa banana. Then add some coconut powder or desiccated coconut. This is optional. If you don't eat coconut, you can just ignore it. Don't add it, but it just adds flavor. So why not just add a little bit? You will see the difference in flavor. Now there is a dal tekwa recipe in my website. If you can check that. This is totally different compared to the dal tekwa dal. This is so different. This is much simply and easier. To make the tekwa banana, I'm using an ice cream scoop. Now the oil has to be ready over medium high heat. Then you have to reduce it to medium low as the tekwa banana is cooking, because it's going to catch color very easily. When you add this to the oil, press it down a little bit, because this is not going to be round. It's going to be like oval, kind of like the shape will be like a tekwa. That's why you need to press it down a little bit, and the baking soda will help it get some puffiness. And don't add too much at the same time, because as you can see, they are big now. They need space. Move them around when they catch color in one side, nice and golden brown. And now let it fry on the other side as well. It's gonna take you like 2-3 minutes each side, or maybe less. And now you can see how the tekwa banana is looking. Just drain the oil and set them on a plate with paper towel. And after it cool down, you can start serving it. You can, like serve this with a cup of tea or coffee. And now let me break one and show you how it looks like inside. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Until next time, bye-bye.